Crow, me beg you come now before Max turn me into curry goat. Me can't face that dog alone. Say less, me G. Me am away now. Me a go bad up Max so till him start apologize. Me need backup, Crow. This boy Max too hype out. Him act bad, but me see him jump for lizard. If Max try run up on me, you just swoop down and deal with him, see ne?
You sure him chain? Him look kinda freeish.
This plan sounds strong, but me feel weak. Me only war with KFC box and leftover rice. Crow, you know a soldier and your social media warrior. Ring me when him lose the teeth. Me might feel brave then. My belly can't take stress fight might mess up my digestive system. Me see Max, me gone. Simple math. You coward. I want kind of security this. Me prefer scrap over stake, less risk, more reward. Crow, you know boss, your bad belly and a bad mind. Real warrior know when to fight and know when to fly out fast.